Einstein and AI Cloud. Basically, as we discussed, that it's present in almost all. It's utilized in almost all the Salesforce Cloud. Either we are talking marketing, or we're talking commerce. So even in commerce, you can check out our webinar. So we discussed about commerce concierge, where you can just
plug in.
Even for loyalty, we can.
Even for loyalty, yeah.
Yeah, even for loyalty.
You were there in loyalty? No, Vijay was there.
Yeah, but I was sitting over there.
Oh yeah, plug in.
So we were talking about commerce concierge. So you can just interact, like you're sending a message to a WhatsApp, right? And using this Service Cloud's digital engagement, you're connecting it with Einstein AI, and you're just asking, okay, what products can I buy if I already have this product, right? And it could suggest to you. Even it can place an order for you. It's as simple as that, and it would just give you a payment link where you can do the payment, and your order would be placed. So it's very simple, and it makes the repetitive tasks, like you can just avoid doing the repetitive tasks.
So Einstein is an AI of Salesforce. That's how simple it is. It has been around for a very, very long time. A lot of people might think AI is a new thing. Salesforce has been playing around with this AI thing since 2015, as far as I remember. They earlier might not have called it as Einstein or whatever. I guess they called it that way, but I'm not absolutely sure about it. But yeah, all of these predictive intelligence, predictive artificial intelligence, predictive analysis, predictive whatever, predictive. I saw the demos of it in the year 2016 or 17, something like that. People showcasing how it is doing that already. Now it's not a new thing. Now it's just getting popular amongst the natural crowd of it, right? So Salesforce has been always a pioneer into AI with this Einstein, and they have always been very up in showcasing the capabilities of the AI that they developed. And right now it's the number one AI for any CRM or any cloud computing platform for that matter, which is also very, very secure. A lot of a challenge with a lot of, and again, another plugin, we created a webinar onto predictive AI versus generative AI, or some AI related webinar that we did. What was it? Predictive AI versus generative AI? Is generative AI the new future of Salesforce? We created that. If you want to learn more about AI in Salesforce, you please make sure to watch that webinar. It's really amazing, and it's live on the channel. Coming back to the point, so yeah, I mean, so it's not just like it just serves the capabilities of any other AI out there. It's also a very, very secure AI, because what happens deep down there is a lot of data masking, a lot of data encryption happens in order to send that data to the AI and get a response for that, right? So all of your customer related information, all of your business related information, all of these informations are going to go to the AI in a masked format, so that it cannot be used in a not so good way for your business. Right? That's something that it provides, and how it does that, you can check it out in the webinar that we did earlier. But apart from that, it's one of the amazing AI out there since ages, not just right now. And it just doesn't help you write down the emails for sales executives, write down the marketing emails or marketing campaigns for the marketing executives, customer support ticket responses for your customer support ticket things. It helps you do all of that, right? And on top of it, anything and everything that you want to do, which any other AI has the capability of, can be delivered with this as well. I'm not sure how sooner or later it is going to happen, but with the help of Einstein AI, I guess it'll be able to even write down the code of Apex to get things done, right? Is it already happening? It is supposed to happen, but it's not live yet.
I think it's not mainstream yet. It's happening passively.
But people have already integrated such things. So even like AI can obviously generate code, and you can ask it to write code for Apex, and you can integrate it with Salesforce in some ways.
Yeah, but that can only happen in the developer org, right? The moment you do it with the production org or anything, you are losing onto a lot of compliances part out there. So getting those same things done, but in a compliant way, you would need an AI integrated with the platform. Yeah. And that is something which is already there for from a very long time with Salesforce. So that is something that can be amazing. That can be really, really amazing.
Right. So we saw that in Commerce Clouds. So basically, we have page designer components, and we
Hmm.
saw that just by writing a prompt that I want this component to look like this, the color should be like this, and it should do this particular functionality. It was able to generate that component, and people can use it. It's very easy.
So that's how it goes.
I think we've seen this in recent general customers as well. Now they want solutions that are fully catered around AI. Earlier it was just
Right.
like a small functionality of their whole implementation. Now we've got customers asking us to develop a whole
AI
whole
strategy
AI
for them.
strategy for them that can replace somebody doing those tasks. So
Don't call it out loud. But
the
that's
idea
all.
is that it's just not to replace somebody,
They
it's
just
to
wanna
make their job easier, so that they
easier.
can do more important tasks, as we discovered earlier.
All right. So yeah, I mean, when you talk about AI and in general, it's different. It's not it's different, but AI specific to Salesforce, Einstein is a very very mature thing already, and it's one of the most powerful AI capabilities that you get as a part of the integrated solution of any CRM out there. So yeah, so that's how powerful it is.